This is how you create the drawstring ear loop. So I am attaching at the bottom. You can do it this way if you want, or you can do it this way. I like to do it this way if I haven't already constructed the mask, because then this is hidden and it's secured very well. So as you can see, I am attaching here, rolling it under my seam allowance, and then I'm going to create my channel. So my seam allowance is going to be here and my channel is there. So I'm going to pin that. And hopefully this is like the 4th or 5th time I've tried to do a video. I don't do video tutorials, but hopefully this one will show. So then I'm going to sew it. And I'm going to sew it as close over here as I can, just so that I have enough space for my channel for the tie to go back through. So here goes. We're going to create don't tell my quilting instructor that I forgot to move that first pin, because she'll get on to me. I love you, Jeannie. All right, cut the thread. All right, so as you can see, it is now sewn in there, and there is a channel. This might be a little bit tight, so if it is, I'll just do pictures to show you. But then I take the other end of the tie, and I cut my ties. It really depends on what size your mask is. My ties, I cut them at like 15 or 16 inches, for each tie, so that I have enough room and then they have space. So now I'm going to take my darning needle with the tie attached and pull it through, and hopefully I gave myself enough space. It's hard to do it on the video. I've been having trouble doing that on the video. But then, of course, the minute I'm not videoing it, I have no issues, and I pull it through. You do want it to be snug so that there's enough tension on the tie itself, so it doesn't just slide back and forth without any like friction to help keep it in place. So now this mask is basically done. I'm gonna put a little knot in the bottom of it. You can attach beads or anything pretty that you want to attach. It's really up to you. But when I'm doing a bunch of masks, I just put a knot in it. And there you have it. You now have a drawstring ear loop attached at the bottom. Loop it around through the channel, and you're done. And I'm gonna put this one on just to show you. My husband is doing this video, so he has quite a sense of humor. But there you go. Goes on. You can make it bigger or smaller and attach. Done. Okay.